Yeah. Because we can worry about the focus later, but we just want to make sure the audio is okay. All right, I'm up here talking, sweetie. And if I need to turn it up, just let me know, because I can go back and turn up the actual mixer. Right now, the master is turned down, so we can turn that up if we need to. Are you hearing everything okay, sweetie, or nothing? I keep on talking and talking and talking, and here we go. The mixer is turned to the halfway point, so if I need to turn that up so that you can hear me, let me know. Which we knew we would. You have this? All right. I have been trying to.